Hi, and welcome to WaggMore Pet Boutique and Bakery, located in the Center Business District of Sparta, New Jersey. We opened our doors in 2017 to provide you and your dogs the ultimate shopping experience. With open arms, we welcome you into our store filled with freshly made treats and items that you will not find in a typical box store. From our fresh bakery to our seasonal items year-round, this is something for both you and your four-legged ones to leave happy with. We hope to see you soon, Chris and Toby. Hi everyone, welcome back to another easy do-it-yourself dog treat video from WaggMore Pet Boutique and Bakery. Today we're going to be a little festive and we're going to be doing a dog holiday jerky. So just a few things we'll need ingredient-wise, some tools from the kitchen and a dehydrator, and let's get started. For today's video, you're going to need a large mixing bowl, spoon, definitely recommend gloves today, your choice of tip for your caulking gun, your trays for your dehydrator, your ground turkey, your cranberry sauce can opener, and then obviously your dehydrator. We're going to go ahead and put our gloves on, and then we're going to grab our ground turkey. This is a 3-pound case. You can use a 1 pound, totally up to you on depending on how much jerky you want to make and depending on how much your machine will hold. So I just put in our 3-pound box of ground turkey. Again, if yours is a 1 pound, that's totally fine. It'll just be a little bit different ratio with the cranberry sauce. We're gonna go ahead and open our cranberry sauce. Whether you have a handheld or an electric one. Open that up all the way. And my supervisor, Toby. And he'd rather not help Dad. If you're using just a 1 pound case of the ground turkey, go ahead and grab a 1/4 cup measuring cup, and you're going to want to fill that with your cranberry sauce and go ahead and put it in with your ground turkey and mix well. Today, since we're doing 3-pound packages, we're going to use a 1/2 cup of cranberry sauce. We grabbed a spoon, we filled up our 1/2 cup for our 3 pounds. We're gonna go ahead and mix that well before we go and grab our jerky gun and fill that up and start loading the trays. Now that we mixed our ground turkey and our cranberry sauce really well, you're not gonna see much of the cranberry sauce that's gonna be blended in with the turkey. You're gonna see some darker spots, which is where it is mixed in. And again, doesn't matter, any choice of jerky gun, we're gonna go ahead and use our standard round tip, and we're gonna go ahead, load this up, and start filling our trays. We're gonna go ahead and screw on our pick. Make sure that's on nice and tight. And now it's time to load up the meat. Now we have our jerky gun loaded. We're gonna go ahead and grab the other side. And we're gonna make sure that's all the way back and carefully thread on. And you are good to go. Let's load up our trays. Now that we have all our jerky and our dehydrator, we're going to go ahead and close everything up. And depending on the instructions of your dehydrator at home, I would check the instruction settings based on what kind of meat and what time frame. But with our machine, we're gonna go ahead and set it at 165 degrees Fahrenheit. And we're gonna go ahead and put the timer on for 24 hours. And we'll check up on it periodically. Now we'll go ahead and let the machine do its work, and we'll see you after it's done. It's been 24 hours, our jerky's cooled off, and let's go ahead and take a piece. We'll snap it in half, and it should be dried out in the center, and that is your indicator that your jerky is set and ready to be enjoyed by your four-legged ones. We hope you enjoyed the video. Enjoy the treats with your four-legged ones, and happy holidays.